Hi and welcome to this channel. On today's tutorial, we'll be implementing our Start.io ads, formerly known as startup ads. So the ad unit I'm using for this tutorial, the ads type rather, is the banner and our interstitial. So the first thing we are doing is we are going to our local library, and then we're going to enable three libraries. I'm going to enable three libraries. Sorry, rather, we're enabling 6 libraries. So you can see the first two. This is the third, and this is the last three. And then we come here. Because startup uses Android X, so we are going to enable app compact, and then we are going to enable AdMob. Why we are enabling AdMob? Because AdMob shares some library with startup. So if for a user that already uses AdMob in his project, for him not to have compile error, I just made it this way so that it will share the libraries, because ideally it doesn't need AdMob to load startup ad, but then there are some libraries that startup and AdMob shares, so in order not to cause conflict. And when this is enabled, we must make sure the app ID, the correct AdMob app ID is added, or a test AdMob ID is added. It's a must that it must be the correct one, or the app will crash. So if you cannot add the app ID through that way, you can collect this text this way. Collect this text this way. Let's say you're using an old version of Sketchware that does not allow you to edit your app ID. After making a mistake, you can come here, come to your handle manifest, and then you can paste it. So this is only in case you are not able to add the original or a correct app ID. So we are going to add this file to our manifest, and then we are replacing this with our start app. We are replacing it. Replace with your start app ID. So you place it your start app ID. And this is to make sure splash screen ad does not open up by default. So then we are adding all these permissions. Let's go back to our manifest. We're adding all these permissions. You can see them. So if you want to add them, let's say you copy it, all you just need to do is add it this way and click save. Then it will be added. The next thing we are doing is we are going to add this import. And then there is a code we need to edit in the manifest. We are going to edit this by using the more block, XML command block, find and replace, or find and replace first. Android manifest, that is the file name.xml. So I see what we're replacing with this. So this code is only needed if you want to show test ad. If you're uploading you have to Play Store, you need to remove this block. Remove it away. If you're uploading you have to Play Store. This is only for testing purpose. Then on back press is not necessary. When the button is clicked, we use this code to show our interstitial ad. Replace this main activity with your activity name. Then we use this to show our banner ads by just converting any layout and adding this. Now if you are using on back press, I will show you how it works. This is the code for on back press. Let's test the sample app. Let's test the sample app. Let's say we have on back press. Let's say the users press back. Let's say the users press back and then the users comes to the app. After pressing back, it will show an ad. So that is just the use of on back press. It doesn't close the app when the user press back, but then it shows the ad when the users come back. So that is the use. But if you want to show an ad when the users want to go to another activity, or you want to display interstitial ads, you click on this button. When you click on this button, it will show the ad when the ad is available. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. The SWB file, that's the project, will be available in our Telegram channel. You can go and give us a nice star reaction to support us. Thank you once more.